So we're here at last. Going to settle in now, freshen up a little bit. I'll take you on a little tour around this place actually. A few little bits I'd like to show you. See you in a little while. Cheers. A little bit about this place. We grow all their own fruits and vegetables here, as you can see, like apple tree here, apple tree there, all kinds of stuff growing here. And they've got two little greenhouses just over there where they grow all kinds of different stuff in there. Another interesting thing they have here though, just over here, they have like their own food smoker. A very different style to the one you've seen in one of my previous videos. And just over there you can see, have a little fire in there, the smoke travels along here, up through this chamber, out the chimney, and then you put your food obviously in this chamber, which at the moment, if we have a quick look, is some fish smoking. Proper smoked fish in there. Really nice, I'm guessing, if I liked fish, but I don't like fish, so. Yeah, they've got all kinds on this land. They have their own, what they call a banya in Russian, which is a sauna. It's actually this building just here, this one, which they built themselves. They have a nice little porch on the front of it. They have a garage here they built themselves, and they built most of the house themselves as well, as far as I know. I think it was like a half-built property, and they purchased the land and finished it off basically. And they're currently building the attic area into an upstairs kind of thing. But yeah, like I was saying, something interesting about here is they actually grow their own vegetables, and at the moment they've got quite a lot of tomatoes growing. So yeah, I'll take you over there to have a little look. Got a nice little pond here as well. Some fishes in there as well, as far as I know. But yeah, just over here, their own greenhouses. I'm not exactly sure what they're growing in here, to be honest, at the moment. But yeah, just down here, a little walk down the side here, got a second greenhouse which goes all the way back down, quite far down there. And at the moment, they have some nice fresh tomatoes. Look at that, eh? And I have to say, they're really nice tomatoes. Hopefully we'll be eating some of those on them with our barbecue a little bit later. Quite looking forward to it actually. I really do love the tomatoes that they grow here. So nice to actually be able to sit down and eat nice fresh food. Overall, to be honest though, the food here in Latvia is really, really nice. It's all fresh, all nice. Just waiting for the food to be cooked and brought to the table at the moment. So yeah, just thought I'd sit down and have a nice little spiced rum with Coke. Cheers. Good morning guys. So today's plan, we're actually heading down to the zoo in a little town called Rezekne, which is not too far from here. Could we head down there, have a little look around? So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so we're here at the zoo. It's called, you see on there, TK Mini Zoo, TK, I don't know how to pronounce that word exactly. So we're here. That looks like Christmas trees over there. That just me or what? But yeah, anyway, this is the zoo. I'm not exactly sure what to expect here. The fact that it's a mini zoo as well. Nice little playground over there though. I'll have to have a guy in that in a little while. Just over there. Look at all the animals. No, just kidding. Apparently it's a bit further down. Just found some animals. I wonder if I found that hole there. Here we go, look. I hope there's more to it than that. There's a giraffe over there too. Just over there. See him? Okay, that's a funny turn of events. This is actually the zoo. Apparently we took the wrong turn. This is like a mini playground zoo for children. So yeah, I wasn't lying when I said there's the creatures and the animals. They really are. Right, let's go and find the actual zoo now. Oh God. Okay, now I see the errors of our ways. We went down this way, when actually we're supposed to go this way. Oh well, live and learn, eh? Seems to have been a little bit of confusion on entering there, because they said, oh, you can't video or take photos in here, which I thought was strange. But we just asked the owners and they said, yeah, it's absolutely fine. So, got to show you these. Made some new friends already, look. Hello. No? What did you say? Got a new little friend here as well, look. Hello. How are you? What's your name? Okay, I don't think he likes me. Let's go back to these guys over here. They seem to like me. They're talking to me. Hello there. Yeah, see? Here's my friend. Him over there. Some little ponies. Hello, mate. You want to bite me? Looks like he wants to bite me. Vicious little thing. Okay. So it looks like it's just horses and donkeys down this way. Little donkeys over there. Yeah, let's head back the other way. Back to our little friends. This little horsey just here come running at me. I wish I was recording now. This one over here. He doesn't seem to like people. Right, let's head down to the other part of the zoo anyway, see what else I got here. Right, let's have a little look what's down here. Oh, there's my little friends again, look. Oh, they're all running away. Okay, maybe they're not my friends then. Come through here. Well, they really smell bad. Oh, wow. Look at this little train carriage just here, looks quite interesting. I actually thought they were real for a second then. What else is in there? Some more there, look. Cheeky little bugger. Bites in my trainers. How dare you, little ducky. Maybe these ones are more friendly. Like the hairdo, mate. Right, okay, for me that's the zoo part done anyway. But I've just spotted something up these stairs. Actually a bit more interesting for me. Take a look at this, guys, look. Anyone fancy a swim? Or some tennis? Not sure what this place used to be, but it's a very unique location. That swimming pool would have been nice once it was full of water. Whether it was a hotel, it used to be a hotel maybe, or some sort of sports centre, I don't know, I'm not really sure. And then just over here in the distance, you've got a really old windmill. Before I head over there though, just spotted something just down here. Yeah, it looks like a little, I don't know, type of outdoor little museum just tucked over in the corner over here. It's a very unusual place actually, if I'm honest. Just down here, look. An old cannon sitting there. I don't know if that's like a Russian policeman or something. Down here, the old cannon just over here. Little trike just there, your three-wheeler. A little jeep just over there as well. Can't go over to have a look at them any closer though, there's a bit of a barrier here. I'm not so sure this guy would be too happy either. Anyway, let's take a little closer look. This old windmill. It's a really old one, this is. Head for this little arch just here. Yeah, look at that, look. Very old. Not sure what age it is, but yeah, I'm not really sure what they used to do in this site, or what used to be here. Yeah, nice place. Anyway, I think we're heading back to the car now, so catch you in a bit.